Hello, good morning. Yeah, in this session, I'm going to explain the concept of a product cost by period outline. What is the product cost by period? Why we are going to use repetitive manufacturing scenario in case of a product cost by order. I will give briefly outline of product cost by period. Here, normally product cost by period is a in SAP one type of SAP technique means SAP product costing technique. But in a domain point of view, repetitive manufacturing process. What is the meaning of a repetitive manufacturing process? Then what is the difference between repetitive manufacturing and discrete manufacturing process? Then discrete manufacturing means normally if you are frequently changing bill of material and routing process. BOM and routing is a combination of bill of material means BOM and routing concept is called as a some product costing in SAP terminology, in normal terminology also. But if any frequently BOM is nothing but input material quantity and input materials and their quantity. Routing means manufacturing process step by step, operation 1, operation 2, operation 3, like that. For example, operation 1 manufacturing, operation 2 cleaning, operation 3 is a packing. These all combinations are included in the routing. If these two combinations based on the market demand in the based on the demand in the market, if any changes needed bill of material and routing, if changes happened frequently BOM and routing, then that type of a manufacturing process is called as a discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing is nothing but a, we will not change frequently bill of material means input material and their quantity, and routing manufacturing process under their manufacturing process such as machine hours, labor hours, if any utilities like that. But we have to sustain in the market our product. Our product need to be sustained in the market according to customer, according to competitors point of view and the customer point of view, both the point of view. We have to do our manufacturing product means customer thinking, our client is going to think this way. If we any suppose if we are a company of some XYZ company, we are implementing a partner based on the customer's demand, we have to do. But the customer's demand means they will go search in the market and observe all market conditions as well as a competitor condition, competitor point of view. Both the factors they will identify and do the manufacturing. So that definitely we will change a bill of material and routing process. This is nothing but a discrete manufacturing process. And coming to the repetitive manufacturing process. Here repetitive manufacturing process is nothing but same exactly opposite of a discrete manufacturing. Repetitive manufacturing means there is no frequently changes of a BOM quantity as well as a BOM material and manufacturing process, nothing but a routing. If there is no changes of frequently BOM and routing concept, that type of a manufacturing process is called as a repetitive manufacturing process. Repetitive manufacturing process normally will follow this oil industries, pharmaceutical industries, steel, some liquid steel they will do melt. In that stage they will do because of continuation business process. If any additionally required, then only they will go on for doing a this type of a manufacturing process. Pharmaceutical lower level means this lower level clubbing of all machining doing this activity is the same. Then outline packing, bulk packing, 10 tablets packing, 20 tablets packing, 100 tablets packing. There is a design is a different. That time they will go for discrete manufacturing, and the inner level they will go for repetitive manufacturing process. This repetitive manufacturing process is available in SAP. That in SAP we can call as a product cost by period scenario. Product cost by period scenario is a one type of a technique in SAP that is a fit for repetitive manufacturing. First, we need to identify which type of a product costing is required by the customer. According to them, then we are going to implement in SAP suitable of a product costing, our product costing scenarios. That is called as a product cost by period scenario. Here, this is the difference. Then identifying of a materials by seeing in material master, we can identify this is a make to order scenario, this is a make to stock scenario, this is a repetitive manufacturing, this is a discrete manufacturing, like that. That means here discrete manufacturing available in both the cases, make to order scenario and make to stock scenario. Both the cases we will implement discrete manufacturing. What is the difference between here make to order, make to stock means? Make to order means based on the customer order we are going to manufacturing, means manufacturing will start based on the customer. Make to order. Make to stock means based on the market, based on the demand. Yeah, without a customer sales order, without customer order, we will start this manufacturing process. That is a make to stock and make to order difference. In both the cases, normally discrete manufacturing will use. And coming to the bomb on row, this repetitive manufacturing, majorly till now I have seen, as per my knowledge, make to stock only they are using. I didn't see till now, as of now, till now, as I didn't see make to order scenario repetitive manufacturing. But as per in future may it will come, I don't know. But as of now, as per my experience, till now I have seen repetitive manufacturing process in make to stock scenario. Here, majorly MRP1, MRP2, MRP3 and MRP4. This is a very important in material master. How we are identifying the materials means this is a discrete manufacturing and repetitive manufacturing difference. How the materials are identifying discrete and repetitive manufacturing process means this one. This is the point of one. Yeah. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not a simple concept. In material master, we can observe MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, but a lot of differences are there. First, MRP 1 and 2 indicates, long back I attended one interview, they asked this is concept. What is the MRP 1, 2, 3, 4? What are the differences? Why they are maintaining MRP 1, 2, 3, 4? MRP 1, 2 is a material requirement plan. MRP 4 is the manufacturing requirement plan. See the differences here. MRP 1, 2 indicates material requirement plan and MRP 3, 4 indicates manufacturing requirement plan. but both are cancelled as a MRP only. Here MRP requirement plan means again system MRP2 indicates whether the material purchase or manufacturing. This is a requirement. Only MRP2 specific. See, I can open one material. I will show you any one material. MRP1. Here MRP1, 2, 3, 4 are there. But first system by you, if you know the debugging, I debugged this material master MM01. How system is going to search? First, how system is going to identify this is a material require what type of a process system is going on. Then through the debugging of a MM01 screen, I identified MRP2 system is going to check first MRP2. MRP2 first system is searching here procurement type. Procurement type means this is the in-house production or external production or both the procurement type. That means here indicates whether this is a manufacturing or purchasing. First, this is a question we have to identify. MRP2 first indicates purchasing and manufacturing, and MRP3 indicates requirement. If it is a purchase, then see MRP1 means here if it is a purchase, is any requirement plan or not. Suppose if it is a plan required PD, then system is going to ask what is the MRP controller. When immediately what is the lot order quantity. If there is no planning, there is no MRP controller, there is no lot size. That means here MRP 1 and 2 only material requirement plan. Material just how material is incoming into the our inventory means based on these two. Now here I suppose here we identified this is a manufacturing. If is a purchase, no need of a 3 to 4. No need. If you put MRP 3 4 also okay, no use. But okay, no problem. But no use. When if you put in-house production manufacturing, again system going to search. If it is a manufacturing, system going to search of these two concepts. What is it? Make to order, make to stock. First question. System, if we are going to put to of a manufacturing MRP2, identified MRP2 manufacturing, then system is going to search for is it make to order, make to stock. Then go for system going for MRP3 for make to stock or make to order. Lot of scenarios are there. Engineer to order, assemble to order, but our product costing point of view, majorly I have seen this concept. MRP3 once identified in MRP2 manufacturing, then system is going to search for strategy group. Strategy group indicates whether this is a make to stock or a make to order. MRP3, this is a strategy group. Here we can identify MRP3, MRP2 or MRP. That means suppose make to stock scenario. Identified make to stock scenario. Then again system will go for MRP4. MRP4 means here make to stock, discrete manufacturing is there. Make to stock, repetitive manufacturing is there. Then how system is going to identify? Then system is going to applied in MRP4 tab. MRP4 tab here in this, see, if it is there in this repetitive manufacturing tick box, then system is identified. This material is a make to stock with repetitive manufacturing. If it is not there, repetitive manufacturing profile and repetitive manufacturing, then system is identified make to stock with discrete manufacturing. That means here MRP4 tab identify discrete or repetitive. That means here we will see later. This much of a major information available in MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 of material master views. First we will identify business. Based on the business we can identify whether it is a make to stock or make to order. Okay, suppose make to stock. Make to stock means then it will go for is it repetitive manufacturing or discrete manufacturing. Then we can, once we identified difference between discrete and repetitive and identify make to order, make to stock, then how we are going to put, how the system is going to identify materials repetitive and repetitive and discrete manufacturing with make to stock, make to order. That's why here MRP 1 and 2 indicate material requirement plan. MRP 3 and 4 called as a manufacturing requirement plan. If it is a manufacturing requirement plan, then MRP3 indicates identify. Here in MRP3 identify is it make to stock or make to order. And MRP4 once identify suppose to make to stock. For example, identify the is it a discrete manufacturing or repetitive manufacturing. Then system identify this way. First, once we create a material, whether this is a repetitive, discrete, and with make to order, make to stock. As of now I identified this, as of my experience identify this only. In future may it will come because of regular customer, same customer, our regular customer, he is putting order through is based on his order we are going to manufacture. In that situation we can use definitely make to order with repetitive manufacturing scenarios. But SAP provided, but till now I didn't use anywhere in the live environment, but so many times I tested in our IDES access, but real time I didn't use this concept. Okay, understand? That means here before going to start off a product costing scenarios, material ledger concept, first you need to identify what is the discrete manufacturing, what is the repetitive manufacturing, in which situation applicable discrete, in which situation applicable repetitive, and MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 how we have to fill. This is the completely information about the product costing minimum basic knowledge. Understand? Okay, next session we will continue